Welcome back to Kids Cookie Adventure, and today we're going to be making this delicious pizza. Let's get to the ingredients. So first we need to make the dough. You will need 2 teaspoons of dried yeast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil plus extra for greasing, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 125 millilitres of water, pinch of salt, 185 grams of flour plus extra for sprinkling. Let's get started. Right, so first we need to mix the yeast in with 3 tablespoons of water. Warm, make sure it's warm so it'll activate the yeast. Let's put that in. Mix it up a little bit, like not too much. Yes, that's enough. And wait until the water starts to get bubbles in the top. So the yeast has risen quite a lot. We put it in there for about 5 to 10 minutes. We left it. So it's very frothy. It's about doubled in size. So what we need to do now, get your flour, your sugar, and your pinch of salt. Mix it all up. And pour in the wet ingredients. So we have the water, the yeast, look how frothy it is, and the oil. And mix it all up with a spoon first, and then when it all starts to come together, you can use your hands. So now this has all come together, get a spatula, scrape all the bits off the sides. It's all done now. Get some flour, sprinkle it, just so it's covering the surface where you'll put the dough. If it's very liquidy, well, you can put some extra flour in it, but it shouldn't be. Mix it up. So it's been going for about 5 minutes now. So it's going quite well. If it starts sticking to your hand, sprinkle some flour on the board and start again. Just knead for 8 minutes or so. And then stick it in the bowl, cover it with cling film, and leave it until it doubles size, which can take about 45 minutes to an hour. So now that we've kneaded it and it's all nice and smooth, what we need to do, we need to oil a bowl. Just a little bit of olive oil or sunflower oil, and just all the sides, so nothing sticks. Plop that in there. Cover the bowl. Wait for it to double size. This should take about 40 to 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Let's wait. Preferably put it in a warm place, not a cold place, like in a cupboard. So it's ready. It's been in for about an hour now. Way to check that it is ready. Poke your finger into the dough. If the hole remains, then it's ready. As you can see, the hole has not closed back up, so it's ready. So what you need to do, you just need to press it down, knock all the air out of it. Place it down onto a floured surface and knead it for another 5 minutes or so. It should be sticking to your hands because it's got oil in it. So first of all, you want to make a rough round shape of how your pizza is going to look. Then you slowly roll it out on each side, making a bigger and thinner version of what you first made. So what you want to do now, you need to turn your oven to 220 degrees Celsius, 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go and do that now. So when you want to put it on a baking tray, and what we did, we just put the baking tray and slid it on top. If you're struggling to do that, just lift it up and then you can shape it up again with your rolling pin. So what we want to do now, we need some passata, some grated mozzarella and some pepperoni. Well, at this stage I'm going to make pepperoni pizza. You can put whatever you want, you can put ham, pineapple, whatever you like. But I'm going to do just a regular pepperoni pizza. Yeah, so what you want to do is get a spoonful, so I'll pour a little bit on and spread it about. Try not to get it all the way to the edge because I've got secret how to do stuffed crust. You can do that with some cheese or some tomato sauce. This is all nicely spread now. So what I want to do, get some passata or cheese. I'm going to do cheese, grated mozzarella, and just what I'll do is sprinkle it around the edge, just touching the passata. Yes, so now we've sprinkled it all around the edge, what I'm going to do, just get a bit and squish it all the way around. Make sure all the cheese goes underneath. And so, just finished putting it all over. What we want to do, I want to go around and press it all down again. So I've just pressed it all down now. What we need to do, grab a handful and just sprinkle it all over the pizza. And sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Now that's all done. Just grab your toppings, your choice. Just spread it all over. You can make a face if you want to, you can decorate it. I'm just going to spread it nicely. Yeah, so not as too much as before. Now I need to put this in the oven for 12 minutes. Be extremely careful as it is very hot. So it's just been in, it's got about 2 minutes left. It's risen quite a lot and it looks super tasty. It'll be great when it comes out. So it's just got out the oven. The stuffed crust exploded a bit, but that's okay. Yeah, so it looks super tasty. Everything's super covered in cheese and it's going to be really nice. I waited 5 minutes for it to cool down because it's quite hot. We've put it to like a proper chopping board. I'm just going to cut it. This has got to be one of the best pizzas I've ever tasted. Like, it honestly is so good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!